So Blake, that National Senior Welding Contest is coming up in a few short weeks. And last year we had people drive from all over the United States to come in and claim some of these awesome prizes that we have. But what's the day look like for the welder? What can they expect when they get here?
So the day is going to begin usually around like 7 o'clock. You're going to come in and start doing your registration with two fine ladies here in the office. And then that's where it all really starts. So there you're going to get your heat number. So then you'll know when you're going to be welding, what heat you're going to be in. And then that number will also be orientated down into the shop as well. For the people down there running the shop, they'll know where to put you. You're going to start out getting your heat number. Everybody's going to gather together underneath our big tent, and then we're going to kind of give a whole layout of the day. And then right after that whole layout and that whole little spiel, then the contest is going to start with the first heat. And then we'll gather everybody together, myself, and I'll give you a quick little rundown of the rules, the way the contest is going to run. Then we'll go down to the shop and find our booths. You're going to find your metal. Then we're going to sound an air horn on when time to start. And then from that time, you got the time to prep it, tie it together, get it all checked off, welded, and all that in that 90 minutes.
You said get it all checked off. So they've got to have the contest official buy off on the weld before they make that contest weld, right?
Oh yeah, you got to have it bought off before you even start the weld. So you got to get it all prepped up, tacked together, in position. From that point, you got to have somebody buy off on it, right? And then from there, they're going to buy off on the final as well. So don't go breaking that thing down whenever you're done, thinking you're done. You got to wait for somebody to check it off.
What's wrong with I finish my weld and I break it down? Why do I have to wait on you to do it?
I may be the one that don't know how you done it, right? You could have broke it down and welded that thing all the way out flat.
Okay.
We're going to have some kind of orientation marked on there of how we know where it was to prevent people from doing that.
Visually, what are you looking for whenever you're in the booth with the student for that final buy-off?
So we're going to judge everything for the weld according to the D11 code book, right? And if it's going to pass all the acceptable criteria, then we'll judge it down to a bend test for that certain student. But everything before then, even up to the final weld, we're going to be checking on your amperages, if it's within the tolerance, your safety. Make sure you come prepared, ready to weld, gloves on at all times, and you're doing everything safe according to the way it should be done.
All right, so I finish up my welds, my heat's over, I go out the door. What else is going on for me that day?
So I think that's where all the fun begins, because we got all kinds of stuff going on. There's a cutting contest that you can enter into, and then we have the crane set up. You can go out and run the crane. We'll have all kinds of welders down there running with some of our students and some former students, and then just some famous people in welding. They'll be down there welding just under a tent. You can go check them out. I know last year we had a cornhole tournament going on, so just all kinds of fun things going on. And there's going to be contractors from all over here as well. Yeah, that's going to be a big thing. So you can come in and maybe get in contact with a contractor and let them know that you're interested in welding. Maybe let them know that you've already enrolled into school and your graduation date will be such and such. And then let them know that you'll be looking for a job, and maybe they'll be looking for you.
Yeah, so I think that's one of the biggest deals. It's not just a competition about bragging rights and walking away with a bunch of prizes and scholarship, but it's an opportunity for that student to compare contractor A to contractor B to union C. So we'll have union and non-union contractors here, and you can actually go from booth to booth and like, hey, what are you going to offer me when I graduate Kentucky Welding Institute? And who knows, you walk away, you may be hired before you even get started here.
It's all about making those connections.
So we look forward to the students coming out on Saturday, April 15th. It's going to be a great day. Treat this like a job, going in for a weld test and walk away with lots of prizes.
So hopefully you guys like this video. We'll be putting out more videos on our YouTube channel, so subscribe to that. And also check out our website. We have links, and we also have shop for clothing and a virtual tour. Until next time, see you there.